Hi everyone and welcome to today's practice. Today I'm going to show you some tips and things you can do to tackle issues like tension headache, eye strain, and stiff neck and shoulders. But before we begin, if you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel to support the work I do. And if you would like to practice longer routines, join me and others live every Sunday on Zoom. Consider joining my membership site. You can find all the details in the description below. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin. I'm going to be doing this routine standing up. However, feel free to adjust. You can do this routine at your desk or even in bed. We're going to begin with a Qigong massage to massage a few acupressure points to help release some of that tension and do one of my favorite exercises for stiff neck and shoulders. So first, begin to rub your hands together. I usually do that until I feel nice and warm. And then take that warmth to the back of the hands and between the fingers. Just feel the back, feel your fingers, feel the center of your palm. Become fully aware of your hands. Next, we need our thumbs. We're going to massage the 2 points located at the front of the eyebrow. Place your thumb there and then drop your head, and using the weight of your head, we're going to create that pressure. No need to force or put extra effort here, just the weight of your head. Release and relax. We're going to do 3 more times. Simply press and hold and release. These points may feel sensitive if you're suffering from headaches. Release. They're also beneficial for eye strain if you spend long hours looking at your laptop. Just take a moment, rest your head, press it down, close your eyes, and just feel the pressure going away. Release. Very good. The next point is the bike away point, right at the top of your head. Place your fingers there, and we're going to circle around. You can use a fair amount of pressure here. Then change the direction. Just circle it around. Very, very good. Then we're going to release and then press it down. Release and press it down. Release. 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 One more time. Press it down and relax. Next, the points that we want to massage is the 2 points located where the neck connects the head. We have special area here, 2 dents. So we're going to massage them with the thumbs as well, wrapped around the back of your hand, and just massage it with your thumbs. Gentle circular motion. And then change. Circle the other way. Very, very good. Relax. Take a moment to see if you notice any difference. Just by massaging the points, you can already release some of that tension. And the next area is just below the 7th vertebral spine, the little spine that is sticking out if you move your head forward. And we're going to massage that area with an open palm. Then change hands and continue for a few more seconds. Relax. Very good. Next, with the open palm, squeeze the back of your shoulder. Very easy and effective way to release some of that immediate tension. Then repeat the same on the other side. And relax. Very good. We're going to finish with an exercise that I find very, very useful. Helps to open and stretch the entire upper back. Go ahead and lift your hands up to about chest height. Round your elbows, round your wrists, relax your fingers, and create that feeling of expansion. Round your chest, round your back, and pull yourself slightly forward. Then release and let everything soften. Then go ahead and extend, opening through the shoulder blades. So good posture, open the back, reach forward. Soften, relax. One more time, go forward. And we relax. Draw your hands to the chest, open through the sides. Keep the back of the neck nice and long. Open your chest and feel your arms long, extending beyond your body. Then soften, drop your shoulders. Go ahead and extend again. As far as you can reach. Opening, opening, opening. Soften, relax. Go ahead and repeat one more time. Nice straight line coming across your chest. Feel all the tendons, all the muscles stretching. And then you soften, let all relax. This is important. Then go ahead and flip, palms facing up. Reach upwards. Flex your wrist. Stay on the ground, but lift yourself as high as you want. As high as you can. Opening, opening, opening. Then release, soften your whole body, especially your neck and shoulders. Go ahead and press upwards. Feel your entire body elongating. Lift your ribcage. Open through your shoulders. Then soften. Then relax. One more time. Go up. Hold, hold, hold. This time, flip your palms and soften down. This is the best part. When you feel that wave of relaxation spreading throughout your body, your neck, your shoulders, down your arms. And it continues even when we stop. Feel that space and awareness that is comforting your body. Very, very good. From here, we're going to take a nice deep breath in, come on your toes. Bounce into your heels first, and then let your arms relax. Finding deep relaxation with every exhale. We breathe in. Exhale. Feel all the tension draining down your back into your legs and escaping through your feet. Breathe in. One more time. Breathe in. And wash over your mind, clear your head, down your body and into your feet. Take a moment here to simply observe the change. Notice where your awareness is. Check in with your neck and shoulders. And hopefully your head feels a little cooler, a little more relaxed. Finish your practice. Thank you for joining me. I hope it was helpful and you'll feel a little bit better. Until next time, I wish you great health, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.